made it to Remington Hot Springs by myself, solo right now. But I figured I would take this time to this magical background near Remington Hot Springs. I figured I would take this opportunity to make some cauliflower, and my wrist is really bothering me today. It's all inflamed. So I just got this cut up coleslaw, and I'm gonna use these and fill these up and make some good road food. Fermented cabbage and cauliflower with carrots, ginger, and what else do I have that's yummy? Garlic. I like a lot. It's good for you. And some cumin. Okay, so I have some rock salt here, and this is what's going to cure it. This is just going to be out of the refrigerator, and you can keep this in your dry stock for several weeks in the salt so it melts. Real tight to the top, and then you're going to pour ouch, your salt water to the top. A little stir. And then grating the ginger. You have to mash it till all the water comes out. So you gotta pack these really tight and keep pushing it down. I haven't had a fly here the whole time, and now all of a sudden one's bugging me. You keep pushing it down, pushing it down. Get as much out of it as you can. And for my last couple jars, I have 3 jars left. I think I would only need 2, but I'm gonna cut these beets and onions and pickle those. Onion. I'm only gonna use a half an onion because I only have 1 package of beets. The juice. I'm gonna do with a little bit of vinegar. And then I'll just fill the jars to the top with water. Otherwise, you will not be able to get it off, and the pressure will be too much.